In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from your Cash App wallet to another Bitcoin wallet. So to get started, open Cash App on your device. Tap the Bitcoin section from the home screen and you will see your Bitcoin balance at the top. Now, before sending Bitcoin, you will need the receiving wallet's Bitcoin address. This can come from another wallet you own or from someone who wants to receive Bitcoin. Once you have the wallet address copied, tap the Send button and choose to send Bitcoin. Then enter the amount you want to send, either in Bitcoin or its dollar value. Then paste the recipient's Bitcoin address into the address field. After that, review the transfer details, and Cash App will usually let you choose between a free standard transfer, which may take longer, or a faster transfer with a network fee. Now select the option you prefer. Review the information one last time, and then tap Confirm and Send. Your transfer will be submitted to the Bitcoin network, and you will receive a confirmation once it has been processed. Depending on the network, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. And that's how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.